Good vatos, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. Now let's look at the GoPro Hero Mini. This is one of the cameras that I was considering buying this Black Friday. They had it for $230 with a 15% discount, and I do have a GoPro subscription, so I believe, yeah, that's probably, it was $100 off plus the 15%, and it was down somewhere around $240 after all the discounts, which was a pretty good deal. I was really considering it. I got close, so these are one of those videos that I kind of dread. I never really liked these videos. The reasons why I'm not buying a GoPro Hero Mini or GoPro Hero 11 Mini, I don't know, just the whole title of it and everything, the videos, I think they're kind of dumb, but I don't know, maybe this information might help you guys out. Maybe you're out there considering buying this GoPro Hero 11 Mini and you're thinking, hey, you know what, it's lighter, it's smaller, you can mount it on the rear, you can mount it from the bottom. It seems like it's something that probably some motovloggers might want. I have, of course, some neck issues when I have the Hero 11. That weighs in a little bit over 5 ounces, closer to 6. So after 40 minutes, you could start feeling it. I don't know if you guys seen my video. Some of you guys have mentioned, hey, why are you out of breath? And that's because I have the GoPro and I'm moving my head around and I'm talking and stuff like that, and I start getting fatigued. So just by having the GoPro mounted on my helmet, it's just something that I've been dealing with. But with the Hero 8, which is what I kind of want to direct you guys towards to, if you're considering something lighter, I'd say the Hero 8 seems to be a little bit better than the Hero 11 option. So unless you want more resolution, you want in-body, horizon steady, maybe that's something you might want, maybe. But as motovloggers, I don't think we need some of these features. So the GoPro Hero 11 weighs in at 4 point something ounces. It's still heavier than the Hero 8. The Hero 8 weighs in at 4 ounces. So this is the Hero 8. This is one of the cameras I do like. I enjoy. It's lighter. It's 4 ounces. Ever since they removed the cage design on it, they've been able to shave down on the weight. So I have that. So if you're looking for something lighter, this might be an option. It's also cheaper as well. You don't have to fork over the $300 or the $450 if you don't have the GoPro subscription. I know that's something that a lot of people don't want. You get billed yearly, $50, but you do get some benefits. I'm not going to get into that stuff. So lighter, GoPro Hero 8 is still lighter than this option. So there's that. Another con, another reason why I decided to remove it from the cart was the built-in battery, of course. That's something that I'm just, it's one of those things that you have to think about. These batteries, over time, they are going to degrade. They're going to lose their charge, and they're not going to charge. They're not going to hold the charge. It happens with everything that we use. Anything that's lithium batteries, of course, phones. You start noticing my smartwatch here, of course. This is something that I started noticing, recently. When I first bought the watch, I was able to have it on a charge for about 2 days. Now I'm lucky if it lasts 8 hours. So it's the same thing with these little lithium batteries. Of course, there's also another factor that these batteries can fail within a few months. It happens. All right, their batteries, I've seen it happen in vehicles. I've seen it happen with my Sportster. I had a brand new battery. It's not a lithium, but it was a brand new battery, and it failed within 6 months. So it could happen. This is a built-in battery. You can't swap it out, stuff like that. So you are limited by being able to extend the life of your camera, kind of like the Hero 8, of course, right here. I've had this since release, and my batteries have been losing charge. So I recently bought 2 brand new from GoPro during Black Friday. I bought some new Hero 8 batteries. Now, this is going to last me another 2 years. Unlike the Hero Mini, if you're having battery issues, then you're pretty much done. You'll either have to ship it to GoPro. They might bill you, they might charge you. I'm not sure how this works. I recently just had a case with my Hero 8. You guys can see the back of the camera is, yeah, it's done. It's cracked. So I dropped it. I contacted them and they wanted to bill me $100 for a replacement. So I'm not sure if you could, claim that on the Hero 11 Mini. If you have the GoPro subscription, then maybe you accidentally drop it and it breaks, and then you pay the $100 to get it fixed or replaced, and then you have yourself a new Hero Mini. For $100, you could replace the battery. Maybe that's something you could probably look into. So built-in battery, I don't like that. The other issue is you're limited on runtime, of course. With the Hero 8, of course, you could have this connected, or the Hero 11, which is, I also got that. So you could also swap out these batteries, right? You can have multiple batteries. I have multiple, what are these called again? Hold on. They're something, Duralast. Is that what it is? No, it's not Duralast. It's something else. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but these are designed for just extreme weather and stuff like that. So anyways, regardless, we could swap these out whenever if you're motovlogging. One of the issues with the Hero 11 is they overheat. So if you're using it 5K and you're shooting, 60 frames per second, and you're charging the Mini because you can't swap out the battery, I don't know if that's going to be able to, take the heat. I don't know if you guys been able to have your phone on use and then connect it, to the charger during a hot summer day. It's not going to it's not going to happen. I have a power bank that connects to the back of this to my phone, MagSafe, and it overheats all the time. So that's just something else that I'm concerned about, being able to extend that record time and charge the Mini at the same time without it overheating. This already overheats. The Hero 11, this overheats within 20 minutes, 5.3K, 60 frames per second. So it overheats. This is going to overheat. It's got the same image sensor. It's got the same processor. So I'm pretty sure it's going to overheat. This does have cooling fins on the back of the Mini. Let me see. Let's go ahead and look at this real quick. So it's got cooling fins at the back. Maybe that might help dissipate heat. There's also another, something else that GoPro mentioned. Not having that screen display can also cool it down a little bit too. But I run this with both of the displays turned off for battery. Just try to extend my battery life. I turned off the front facing camera, and I also have the rear facing camera to shut off within 2 seconds or something like that, within 5 seconds of turning this on, and it still overheats. So I don't know if this is going to be able to take it. So, and then of course the last little, I guess, con, if you're using your GoPro, your action camera, as photography to take pictures, you can't do that with the Black Mini. It only captures video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys let me know in the comments, is this something that you guys were considering, something a little bit smaller? Anyways, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.